Advanced placement students, this is Friday, October 23rd, 2020. I'm going to look at the things you turned in, and I'm going to see what I think of them. I'm going to grade them, and I hope that you will look at one another's and have commented on them as well if I distribute them. This week you have off. Get caught up if you haven't caught yourself up on AP. Look ahead. Make sure that you're doing the readings in the other book, the white book, the Krieger book. Is it Krieger? I think it is. The white book, crash course, AP crash course in European history. Right by now, you should be reading in chapter 2, which is the period from the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648 up through the fall of Napoleon in 1815. So maybe get ahead on your reading, but you have no homework from me. I'm going to grade your work, and I'm going to try to display it so that you each can view it and comment on it. I hope the work is turned in. If it hasn't been turned in yet, or if there is other work that needs to be, you are behind, and that's your homework to get it done. The rest of you, maybe get ahead on your readings. Have a good weekend, and if you have any questions at all, come see me or email me. Thank you.